Hi, this is Adam Sweeney from MyEnglishLyrics.com. Although today we're not going to be talking about lyrics, today we're going to be talking about reaching your audience through Facebook custom apps. And nowadays Facebook custom apps are used for anything, used for getting people to go to websites, sign up forms, etc., you name it. And one advantage I noticed is you can use this to put your songs directly on Facebook and have people listen through there, because everyone trusts Facebook and they don't necessarily trust other sites. I mean, even if it's SoundCloud, it's fine, but you know, when you have your fan page and you have your link to your SoundCloud up there, it's not very attractive. But with the custom apps, you can make a nice picture and you can have them either the app link directly to your website, or you can embed the songs into the app right on Facebook. And this will allow your fans, potential fans, to listen to your songs right there in Facebook without having to even leave. So let's take a look. I'm going to show you how to do it right now.
Alright, let's get to it. So you're going to need three things here. The first is your music page. So I have mine here. I just made it up for this purpose. You're going to need your SoundCloud. And also, I just made this one up because my stuff's on a website called Pure Volume. And you're going to need PicMonkey if you want to design the icon of your apps. So let's go to this page, and if you scroll down here near the About and Photos, this is where you would normally find the custom apps. And what I can show you as an example is I can go to my English Lyrics Facebook page because I have custom apps there. So if we scroll down here, we'll see, my access is where people can sign up for my newsletter. And this is where we want to put your music, because when people go on your site and they can see when you're playing or what you're doing, and they can click on the app and they can listen right here. So that's the goal. And what's great about doing things on Facebook is people trust Facebook more, and it makes it so easy for people to find your music and stay on Facebook. So another option you can do is just have it linked directly to your SoundCloud instead of having just a random link here, because it's not very attractive. People might not read, but if they see pictures and they see songs, you can just click on the link and it will take you directly to the website. It's just doing this just because I'm the admin, but it'll take your fans right to your website. It's like this. People can see my testimonials. So basically, this is what we're going to do today. And it won't take long, less than 10 minutes to set up. Okay, so let's go back to Facebook. Alright, so we're going to type in Woobox, W-O-O-B-O-X. So right here, Woobox custom tab, 100 million monthly users. We're going to click that. Okay, and next we're going to install the page tab. Okay, and here's where you're going to choose your Facebook pages. So here's where you choose your music site. So I'm going to choose mine, Adam Sweeney, add page tab. And let it load. Okay, so here we are. So your first option here is a redirect, which will take everyone to your SoundCloud page. So you just copy and paste, put it right in here, and FriendGate, FormGate, you don't need any of this. Facebook's banning FanGate anyway, which is when people have to like your page before they can go to your custom apps. And here you can put, I don't know, my song. So this will show up next to the picture. So this is one option, but what I really probably prefer you to do, it's your choice though, is embed your songs. So, and otherwise we just click save settings and it's set up, and all we would do is choose the picture. So if you want to stop here and just have a nice picture and it linked directly to SoundCloud, maybe it says SoundCloud or just My Music, that's totally fine. But if you want to embed your songs into your Facebook so people stay on Facebook, this is what you do. So it's you go under HTML for page source. Again, don't worry about these things. You can leave the name. And now you just have to go to your SoundCloud, and what are we looking for? Share. So you hit share and then embed. Then you just take this code right here. So I don't think I got all of it. Balls. There we go. So copy, and so paste that right in here. Next. Alright, next song. Next song is a cover song I did. So we're going to share that. And look under embed. Copy the code. And Charlie Brown is cool. Balls is not doing it again. By the way, balls is just an American word for crap. If any of you guys are Supernatural fans, that's where I got it. Alright, I think that's it. So copy. Paste. Alright, looks the same. And last one. So just X out of this. Last one is my New Year's song. So embed. And I remember when I took that cover photo right there. The great old city where I'm from, Philadelphia. So last one here. Paste. All right. So we've pasted that. We have my songs. We can change that to listen here. Okay. Okay. Now your tab image, you can upload it or you can make one for free on PicMonkey, but it has to be 111 pixels by 74. So we're going to do PicMonkey.com. So we are going to design, then down here to custom. And we'll type in 111 by 74. Make it. Alright, let's say choose blue. Apply a blue background. See what else can I put on here. I don't know, maybe a star. Should we do? Alright, maybe the star. Oh, looks like you need to upgrade for that. Okay, here are the free ones. Alright. So take this. Maybe put it here. Do another one. Depends how creative you are. So I like doing creative things like this. Working on pictures, not just being creative with music. Here, here. And you can add a text. Okay. Here we go. So you can pick a font, and type in my songs, change the size, you can mess with the dimensions. Okay, you can make that a different color. Let me just type in a random one. Alright, works. Alright, we'll save that. So we'll save that as test app. Save. Alright, save that to my desktop. Alright, back to your page. So change tab image. Browse, and we'll take the cool new photo we just made. Damn it, I forgot what it was called already. Oh, it was test, wasn't it? Test app. Alright, save settings. I'm rubbing my hands together in excitement. Alright. So it should be good then. Let's go back to the page. So your fan comes on. He sees what you're doing, maybe where you're going to play next. Maybe you have a message for him. And here's your traditional, music site. So like I said, mine is pure volume, so SoundCloud is here. But they'll also see this nice, beautiful colored app here, and they're going to click on that. And as my French lady says, voila. So here you go. So although my pictures are a little blown up, that's my fault for the original pictures that I got off of Google. So, but it's not a big issue. And so here we go. Let's hit play. And I think that's it. That's how you can put your songs into your Facebook using a custom app. Let's go back, take one more look at it in all of its glory. Don't mind the Asian guy, just went to school with him. So here we are. So I hope you learned a lot, and I hope many of you take the initiative to do this, because it is very important if you want to reach more people. And I know you all are sitting in your corners of the world and with millions of people at your fingertips on the internet, and you just want them to get to your music through however many channels possible. And this is one of them, and this is one with which you can capture their attention. So this is Adam Sweeney from myEnglishLyrics.com. You now know how to install your music inside a custom app in Facebook, and you know when to use the phrase balls. So I'll see you next time.